It looks like John Garza and Ali Nemo thought they could pull off a prison break like the infamous Andy Dufresne from The Shawshank Redemption. But instead of a rock hammer hidden in a Bible, these two used a toothbrush and a metal object to construct their tools. Talk about MacGyver-level skills. The Newport News Sheriff's Office says the duo managed to escape by exploiting a design weakness in the medium-security jail. And let's be honest, if there's one thing humans are good at, it's exploiting weaknesses. From hackers infiltrating computer systems to kids figuring out how to sneak cookies before dinner, we're always looking for ways to bend the rules. But back to Garza and Nemo. After tunneling through a cell wall, the pair scaled the containment wall to gain their freedom. It's like they were auditioning for a role in an action movie. The only problem? They ended up at an IHOP. Because when you've just escaped from jail, what's the first thing you want? Pancakes, of course. It didn't take long for authorities to track down the fugitives thanks to some eagle-eyed citizens who spotted them at the Pancake House. Maybe Garza and Nemo should have gone to a less crowded spot like Waffle House. Just saying. Now that they're back in custody, the two men will face even more charges. It's like they didn't learn their lesson the first time. Garza was being held on contempt of court and probation violations, while Nemo faced charges including credit card fraud, forgery, and possession of burglary tools. And now they can add attempted escape artist to their rap sheets. But let's give credit where credit is due. These guys had some serious determination to break out of jail. It takes a certain level of commitment to dig a tunnel with a toothbrush. And who needs a fancy hammer when you've got a metal object? These guys are the definition of resourceful. Of course, we don't condone breaking out of jail. It's illegal and dangerous. But we can appreciate the creativity that went into this escape attempt. Maybe Garza and Nemo should consider a career change. With their skills, they could be successful engineers or inventors. In the end, it's clear that these two were not menacing individuals, as the Newport News police chief pointed out. They were just two guys trying to break free from the monotony of jail life. But unfortunately for them, their freedom was short-lived. In the words of Andy Dufresne, "Get busy living or get busy dying." And it looks like Garza and Nemo will be doing the latter for a little while longer.